Hey there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Just a quick update video. I done a little video um, earlier today on cutting out the rough repair for the chassis rail. I just thought I'd go along and show you guys. Well, that was the actual template one that I was showing you, but I've finished to get in. I've still got a little bit more work to do on shaping the plate. Yeah, you might still be able to see maybe. Have a look. Ouch. Sorry, everyone. Right, just in here. Can't really see it, but just in this line, just here, got a bit of white chalk mark there. I've got to grind that out a little bit further. Now, it fits nice and snug up the top here. Down on the bottom here, I may have to take a little bit more out there, and then a bit more following that line around up to there, and a tiny little bit down there, and that's that plate ready to be welded back in. So, like, I'm not the world's best welder by far and all means. So my welding, what I'll do is I'm going to basically just tack a few tacks in, and that, just a quick little video just to show you that I started welding it in, and I'll do an update one after I've welded it and cleaned it all back a bit. Now, as you can see here, I've got a few holes. There's a few holes along the top area along there as well. So when I've got this plate welded back in, I'm actually going to also cut this section here out, and I'll reshape that section with the lip as well. Same down here. On that, I might even cut this one all the way back here yet, I'm not sure. But that's tomorrow's job. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, today's Saturday. So that will be a job for tomorrow, and then I'll show you guys that video as well. And then once that plate there is done, I'll drill out these spot welds, measure out the plate distance for this one here, so then I can get there and make that new plate that goes in behind the skin as well. So yeah, also got to try and get a little bit more of that skin there off, which is the outer here, so then I can weld that one in, and that. So like before I weld this one in, I might even get some seam sealer to squeeze in behind it, but I'm not too sure yet. I might be able to get in up through here, and that, or like I said, I'll use the lip there and fold the lip over with a bit of seam sealer with the lip. So yeah, so anyway everyone, that's the progress video for I think the 21st of April. So yeah, alright then everyone, take it easy. Please like the videos. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Also, just a reminder that I do have stickers available at the moment. I don't make any money off the stickers or anything. That goes into buying stuff for the ute and also getting more stickers. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, so I'm not in it to make money really, just to bring you guys content, show you how to do certain things, and that. But I am slowly working on the progress of the quality of the dog legs, and trying to get in either a template or a couple of sedan ones or wagon ones, just so I can get this curve area around here. I need that shape there for the wagons and the sedans, so I know exactly how the distance is from between, if the distance here is the same to a wagon. Like, if you guys have a panel van or a ute, yep, that's no problems. I can shape up a patch. Sorry, it's a bit hard to show you, but the patch will be from here to about around there, and it comes up to about there, roughly. And that, so that's for sedans, for panel vans and utes at the moment. But I can leave that metal there, and all you have to do if you got a sedan or a wagon is just measure out the curve. If you know where your curve goes and that, then you can basically leave another inch worth of metal or so from that curve line, and then be able to fold it over yourselves if you like. But I'm working on the quality of them, so hopefully mid next month, or if you need a pair sooner, then I can make a pair up sooner. Alright, so yeah, if you're interested, just email me and I'll get in contact with you, get back to you by email. So yeah, so that's the progress and everything so far. Alright everyone, thanks again, and yeah, cheerio for now.